Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to continue with chapter revision, perimeter and areas. F question up to E we had completed, so we'll start with F question, that is complete the following table. A table is given wherein the base and height of a parallelogram are given. We have to find the area of the parallelogram. So we know the formula for area of a parallelogram, that is base into height. So base is given and height is given. So we have to find the area. First question, the base is 7 centimeters and the height is 6 centimeters. So area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of this parallelogram whose base is 7 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters will be 7 into 6, that is 42 centimeters square. So complete the table by writing the area of parallelogram as 42 centimeters square in the first case. Second, here the base is given as 9 centimeters and height is given as 6 centimeters. Okay, everything is in centimeters. All the units are in centimeters in this case. So 9 and 6. So area of second parallelogram whose base is 9 and height is 6, 9 into 6 is 54 centimeters square. Therefore, the area is 54 centimeters square, which we have to fill in the second row. And here you have to write 52 centimeters square. Complete the table. Next, third one, the base is given as 12 centimeters and height is given as 5 centimeters. You can see that 12 and 5 centimeters. Therefore, the area is equal to 12 into 5, which is equal to 12 5 is 60 centimeter square. We have to write it here as 60 centimeter square in the third row. Fourth, the base is given as 12 and height is given as 10 centimeters. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter square. Fill the column, this one row 120 centimeter square. Fourth one. Fifth one, area of this parallelogram whose base is 34 centimeters and height is 16 centimeters would be area is equal to 34 into 16. So 34 into 16 will be 16 4s are 64. 16 into 3 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. So 544 centimeter square is the area of the fifth parallelogram. We have to complete this row by writing 544 centimeters square in the fifth row. This completes the entire table. You can have a look of the table which we have completed. Base 7 centimeters, height 6 centimeters, area is 42 centimeters square. Second one, 9 centimeters is a base, height is 6 centimeters, area is 54 centimeters square. Third, 12 centimeters is the base, 5 centimeter is the height, 60 centimeters square is the area. Fourth, 12 centimeters is the base, 10 centimeters is the height, area is 120 centimeters square. Fifth, 34 centimeters is the base, 16 centimeter is the height, area would be 544 centimeters square. So this completes the table of F, question F. Okay.